Growing a lotus plant in a small pot is simple and rewarding if done correctly. In this guide, we will walk through each step from planting the tuber to maintaining healthy growth. If you have not yet subscribed to Urban Gardening, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to subscribe and receive notifications as I upload new videos. Use a container roughly 6 to 10 inches wide and at least 6 to 8 inches deep. Containers with no drainage holes are best to prevent water from draining out and disturbing the soil. In the bottom, add a few inches of cattle manure and then add 3 to 5 inch topsoil or loamy pond soil. The best soil options include topsoil, loamy pond soil, or specially made aquatic soil. Potting soil should be avoided because it is too light and will float when water is added. Selecting a healthy lotus tuber is the most important step for successful growth. A poor quality tuber often fails even with perfect care. This is the part that we will put into the soil. And this is the top part where new shoots will grow. If yours a beginner, choose small or dwarf lotus varieties. They grow better in pots and bloom faster. Some micro or dwarf lotus varieties are as follows. Make small trenches in the soil and place the tuber gently into it, positioning it horizontally with the growing tips facing slightly upward. When planting a lotus tuber or rhizome, orientation is very important to prevent rotting and ensure proper growth. Cover with soil and press it gently into the soil, leaving the growing tips exposed. Covering the tips with soil can prevent them from sprouting properly, leading to slow or weak growth. Now slowly add water to the pot until it is about 2 to 4 inches above the soil. Use tap, pond or river water to maintain clean, oxygenated water for growth. Be sure to check back often to ensure the water level doesn't drop too much due to evaporation. After planting, place the container in a sunny location. Lotus plants require at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to grow strong and bloom. Without enough light, the plant may produce leaves but fail to flower. As water evaporates during hot summer days, it should be replaced frequently to keep the pot full. Always maintain water level 3 to 4 inches above the soil in the pot. As the plant grows, small floating leaves called coin leaves will appear first. These leaves rest on the water's surface and begin photosynthesis. First leaves appear and float on the water surface. At this point, plant is focusing on root and tuber development. At this point, you can begin fertilizing. Use a slow release fertilizer in small amounts to support healthy, balanced growth. Keep the granules in a paper pocket and insert it into the soil near the roots to promote steady growth and encourage flowering. From this point, fertilize every 18 to 20 days. This is the initial stage where flower buds begin to develop, signaling the plant's readiness to bloom. Blooming starts only after leaves rise above water. Floating leaves alone will not produce flowers. Dwarf lotus varieties usually blooms in 6 to 10 weeks, but some varieties may take longer. At this point, buds become bigger and oval-shaped. Stem grows taller, lifting the bud above leaves. At this point, leaves become larger and stronger, and plant begins storing more energy for bud development stage. To help your lotus flourish, make sure it gets plenty of sunlight. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to stimulate healthy growth. From bud formation to full bloom, the process takes about 3 to 5 days, allowing for a stunning display of nature's artistry. Lotus flowers typically bloom from late spring to early winter months depending on the climate. The flower opens each morning, showcasing its beauty, and closes at night, a behavior known as nyctinacity. To ensure your lotus plant flowers season after season, you must manage the cycle of growth, dormancy, and nutrients needs. Lotus are perennial, meaning they return every year if properly cared for, especially by protecting the tubers during winter and dividing them in the spring. Remove dead leaves and spent flowers to encourage new growth and keep your plant looking its best. Water temperature plays a crucial role in blooming. The optimal range is between 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius for healthy flower development. By focusing on these tips and factors, you can create the perfect environment for your lotus to thrive. With the right care, your lotus will reward you with stunning blooms season after season. Water quality also plays a vital role in lotus health. Clean water is key to healthy lotus growth. Regularly removing debris and doing partial water changes can help keep your water clear and your plant thriving without encouraging algae growth. Change pot water every 10 to 12 days during normal days and after every 4 to 5 days during mosquito breeding season by overflowing the pot with fresh water to remove algae, larvae and debris.